Find features that distinguish it from other brands for new upgrade, ZSX tire inflator, portable air compressor, 160 psi air pump with memory function. Electric bike pump with tire pressure gauge, tire inflator for car, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Memory function. The smart air pump comes with a handy memory function that stores your preferred pressure settings for easy access. With just a single touch, you can inflate items like car tires or sports equipment, eliminating the hassle of manually resetting the pressure each time. Great program logic. The default unit is PSI, and the selected unit applies across all modes. You can set the values for each mode as per your preference. Once the values are set, they will be retained for 1 second to ensure memory storage. Upon power off and restart, the device will display the last used mode, unit, and set values before shutdown. Fast inflation. Our portable tire inflator is equipped with a robust motor, achieving a maximum pressure of 160 psi. It efficiently inflates a wide range of items, including car tires, bike tires, and inflatables such as swimming rings and various sports balls. Dual screen display. The portable air pump with a dual screen display is equipped with an advanced chip that rapidly detects tire pressure. It offers precise readings of both preset and current pressure on the LED display, with an accuracy of 1 psi. Power bank and emergency lights. This tire air compressor also serves as an emergency tool. Along with 3 lighting modes, LED, SOS, flashing, for use in low-light environments and emergencies, it features a Type-C charging port and a 5V/2 amp USB output port on the bottom. In a critical situation, it can play the role of a power bank source to charge your electronics. Extremely versatile. The portable air compressor for car tires combines the functionalities of a tire pump, swimming ring pump, ball pump, bike pump/bicycle pump, LED light, digital tire pressure gauge and power bank. Its versatility makes it a practical tool for a wide range of situations, making it a must-have for emergencies. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.